Hello dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss the magnification produced by lens. Magnification produced by lens. Magnification produced by lens. So already we know that what is magnification. So magnification is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. Now listen here, m is equal to, magnification can be represented by m, then m is equal to hi by ho. So what is hi here? Hi is nothing but it is the height of the image. Height of the image. Height of the image. And what about HO? HO is height of the object. Height of the object. Height of the object. Now, what is another way to define the magnification? So, magnification is also defined as it is the ratio of image distance to the object distance. Magnification is defined as the ratio of image distance to the object distance. Image distance can be represented by V and object distance can be represented by U. So what is V here? V is nothing but image distance. V is nothing but image distance. And what is U? U is here object distance. Object distance. Now, so there are some important points related to the magnification. What is the first point? Magnification has no unit because height of the image measured in meter, height of the object also measured in meter, then meter get cancel, hence magnification has no unit. And also in this case, image distance measured in meter, object distance also measured in meter, meter get cancel, hence the magnification has no unit. This is the first point. What is the first point? Magnification has no unit. Magnification has no unit. So remember this point. Magnification has no unit. Then second point, magnification is positive for virtual and erect image. Magnification is positive for virtual and erect image. So what is virtual image? An image which cannot be obtained on the screen, that called virtual image. And what is erect image here? If the object is upside, then its image is also upside, then image is said to be erect. Okay. So virtual image ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ ಇಮೇಜನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು ಅಂಥ ಇಮೇಜ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಮೇಜು ಅಪ್ರೈಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಜನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಇರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. So if the magnification is positive, then the image is virtual and erect. Then if the magnification is negative, means magnification is negative for real and inverted image. Real and inverted image. So magnification is positive for virtual and erect image, but the magnification is negative for real and inverted image. What is real image? An image which can be seen on the screen. Okay, ಯಾವ ಇಮೇಜನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಯದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, next one. If m is greater than 1, then image is said to be magnified. If magnification is greater than 1, then Image is said to be magnified. Image is said to be magnified. Image is said to be magnified. Listen here. So when the image is said to be magnified, only when height of the image is greater than height of the object. If height of the image is greater than height of the object, then m is greater than 1. So what is magnification formula? That is m is equal to hi by ho. Then if numerator is greater than denominator, then m value is greater than 1. Hence image is said to be magnified. And next one. If m is less than 1. If m is less than 1. So when the m value is less than 1, only when the numerator is less than denominator, means height of the image is less than height of the object, then the image is said to be diminished. The image is said to be diminished. Then image is said to be diminished. Image is said to be diminished. And next point. If m is equal to 1, if m is equal to 1, then when the m value is equal to 1, only when the numerator and denominator both are equal. Once again, what is magnification? It is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. If hi and ho both are equal, then we will get the answer is 1. That means the size of the image equal to the size of the object. Then the size of the image or height of the image, then the size of the image is equal to the size of the object, equal to the size of the object, size of the object. Means here hi equal to ho, height of the image equal to height of the object. But in this case, height of the image is greater than height of the object, and in this case, height of the image is less than height of the object. Now, so let us explain when the magnification is positive and when the magnification is negative in case of convex lens. When does the magnification produced by convex lens is positive, and when does the magnification produced by convex lens is negative? So listen here. This is convex lens. What is convex lens? It is a lens which is thicker at the middle, thin at the edges. Now, optical center. Now this is principal axis, and a lens having how many foci? 2 foci. One focus is at the side of the object and another focus is at the side of the image of the object. Now I will take it as F. Now optical center can be taken as O, and this side also it is F. Okay. Next it is 2F, and it is also 2F. It is also 2F. Now if object anywhere between infinity and focus, then the nature of the image is real and inverted. For example, let us take object just beyond the 2F. Object just beyond 2F. In order to get the image of this object, we are going to follow the how many incident rays? 2 incident rays. First incident ray, that is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, this refracted ray passes through the focus, second principal focus, and the second incident ray which is passing through the optical center, that passes without any deviation. Without any deviation. Then here we got the image. Then here image, we can see this image on the screen, hence it is real, and this image is inverted because here object is upright but image is downside, hence the image is said to be inverted. Then what is the nature of the image here? Nature of the image is real and inverted. real and inverted. And what about magnification here? Magnification is negative or positive? Here magnification is negative because the nature of the image is real and inverted. See here, m is equal to, so here the height of the image taken downward, so that is why minus hi, and height of the object taken upward, so that is plus ho. Then minus by plus, that is minus na, now it is minus hi by ho. Hence the magnification is negative for real and inverted image. And also in terms of image distance and object distance, then m is equal to, so the image distance measured in right direction, that is why it is plus v, that is why it is plus v, and object distance measured in left direction, that is why it is minus u, that is minus u. Then plus by minus, that is minus, now it is minus v by u. Hence once again the magnification is negative for real and inverted image. Try for other positions, ಉಳಿಕೆ positions ನೀವು try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Suppose object in between 2f and f now, where its image will be formed? Its image will be formed beyond 2f, and the nature of the image is real and inverted. Okay, and next one, when the nature of the image formed by convex lens is virtual and erect. For what position of the object the nature of the image formed by the convex lens is virtual and erect? So only when the object lies in between focus and optical center. This is convex lens, now optical center, this is optical center, and it is principal axis. So there are how many foci for the lens? 2 foci. One is at left side and another one is at right side. Now suppose object in between f and o means here optical center, then where its image will be formed? Its image formed beyond the object. Now first incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction the refracted ray passes through the second principal focus, and the second incident ray that is passing through the optical center, that passes without any deviation. And here these two refracted rays are diverged, means these diverged rays appears to be came from a position. I will extend these two rays, and these two rays will be meet at a certain position now beyond the object. Now here what is the nature of the image? The nature of the image is virtual and erect, because we cannot see this image on the screen. ಈ ಇಮೇಜನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಅಂಥ ಇಮೇಜ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀರಿ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್. See here, object upside, then image also upside. Now the image is said to be erect. And what about magnification here? The magnification is positive or negative? The magnification is positive. See here, m is equal to height of the image taken upward, that is plus hi, and height of the object also taken upward, that is plus ho. Then positive by positive, again it is positive na, then it is hi by ho. Hence magnification is positive for which image? Virtual and erect image, virtual and erect. Okay, and in terms of image distance and object distance, in terms of image distance and object distance, here m is equal to, so image distance measured in left direction, that is why image distance can be taken as a negative. Now it is minus v, and object distance also measured in left direction, that is why the object distance can be taken as a negative, that is minus u. Then minus minus get cancelled, now it is plus, so plus v by u. Once again the magnification is positive here. The magnification is positive for virtual and erect image, virtual and erect image, virtual and erect image. Okay, so listen here, in this case image is magnified or diminished. So listen here, size of the image is lesser than the size of the object. Andra height of the image height of the object ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ m is less than 1 because hi is less than ho, height of the image is less than height of the object, then image is said to be diminished. Image is said to be diminished. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ 2f ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ದಾಗ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 2f ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ದಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1. Why the magnification is equal to -1? The negative sign indicates that the nature of the image is real and inverted, and 1 indicates that the size of the image equal to the size of the object. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ 2f ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ದಾಗ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ at 2f ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, now here it is height of the image and it is height of the object. Height of the image and height of the object both are equal na? Now we can write m is equal to, so height of the image taken downward, so that is why it is -hi, and height of the object taken upward, that is why it is +ho. Minus by plus, that is minus, and hi and ho both are equal, hence answer is 1. For what position of the object the magnification produced by convex lens is -1? So only when the object is at the 2f, means twice of the focal length, twice of the focal length. Okay, now here in this case, so here m is equal to height of the image is greater than height of the object, then m is greater than 1, then image is said to be magnified. Image is said to be magnified. Image is said to be magnified or image is magnified. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹೈಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ಗೆ ಏನದ್ರಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಅದ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್? ದಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ lies in between, when the object lies in between principal focus and optical center of a convex lens, then the image is virtual, erect and magnified. So this is in case of convex lens. So when does the image formed by the convex lens is virtual, erect and magnified? Only when the object lies in between principal focus and optical center. Remember this point, this is very important. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫೈ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್? ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್? ದಿ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ಡ್. ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ನಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಮೇಜ್ದು ನೇಚರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬೈ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಲಿಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. It is which type of lens? It is concave lens. So what is concave lens? So it is the lens which is thin at the middle, thicker at the edges. Now let us draw the ray diagram. Now it is optical center, principal axis. Now let us take it is focus, and this side also focus. Suppose object is anywhere between infinity and optical center. Always the nature of the image formed by the concave lens is virtual, erect, and the size of the image is diminished. Suppose I will take image beyond f, object beyond f. Object ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಈಗ f ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ object lies in between 2f and f. Then first ray that is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, the refracted ray diverges. This refracted ray appears to be came from a point, that point is called focus. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನಾವು, ಫೋಕಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And one more incident ray that is passing through the optical center, that passes without any deviation. Okay, so where these two rays will be meet, at that position we will get the image of the object. Image of the object. Now it is object and it is image of the object. Then what is the nature of the image? Nature of the image is, nature of the image is, nature of the image is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect, because m is greater than 0. m is greater than 0 means here magnification is positive. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ 0ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿರಿ, m is equal to height of the image to the height of the object. So height of the image taken upside, that is why it is plus. Height of the object also taken upside or upward, that is also positive. Then positive by positive, again it is positive. Then magnification is positive for virtual and erect image. And here HI is less than HO. HI ಅನ್ನೋದಂದ್ರೆ HO ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಐತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ height of the image is less than height of the object. Hence the magnification is less than 1. If the magnification is less than 1, then image is said to be diminished. Image is said to be diminished. Image is said to be diminished. So listen here. Size of the image. Size of the image formed by which lens? Concave lens. Size of the image is diminished. Diminished. So remember, always the nature of the image formed by concave lens is virtual and erect. Hence the magnification is positive for the which lens? Concave lens. So next one, always the size of the image formed by concave lens is diminished, means the size of the image is less than the size of the object. This is very important point, remember this point. Okay, now next one, magnification in terms of object distance and focal length. Magnification in terms of object distance and focal length. Neat application. Magnification in terms of focal length and object distance. F means here focal length, U means here object distance. So already we know that what is the expression for magnification, that is m is equal to v by u. M is equal to v by u. Now by using lens formula, what is lens formula? Lens formula ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. V is image distance, u is object distance. This is the lens formula. But what about mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, but it is a lens formula. Hence the lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now next one, we are going to replace v here because we need magnification in terms of focal length and object distance. Let us take minus 1 by u to the left hand side, that becomes plus 1 by u. Then 1 by f plus 1 by u, that is equal to 1 by v. 1 by v. What is LCM? LCM is u into f. Then in numerator you will get u plus f, that is equal to 1 by v. But we need v, then v is equal to u into f divided by u plus f. U into f divided by u plus f. So let us substitute this one in this equation, then we will get v is u into f divided by u plus f divided by u. Then u get cancel. Now it is f by u plus f, otherwise f plus u. Now it is magnification in terms of focal length and object distance. But remember, while solving the problem related to the magnification, you have to use sign conventions. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Sign convention ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, next one, magnification in terms of focal length and image distance. Magnification in terms of in terms of focal length and image distance. Focal length can be represented by f and image distance can be represented by v. So once again by using this formula, then m is equal to v by u. So we have to replace u here. So if we need magnification in terms of focal length and object distance, we have to replace v. But if we need magnification in terms of focal length and image distance, we have to replace u. Now again by using length formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by v minus 1 by u. So minus 1 by u taken to the left hand side, 1 by f taken to the right hand side. Minus 1 by u becomes plus 1 by u. Then it is 1 by v plus 1 by f taken to the right hand side, that becomes minus 1 by f. Minus 1 by f. What is LCM here? V into f is the LCM. Now here it is f and it is v. Now it is f minus of v. So it is 1 by u, but what we need? We need u. Then u is equal to v into f divided by f minus of v. F minus of v. So let us substitute this one in this equation. Now we will get m is equal to v by u is nothing but v into f divided by f minus of v. Then v get cancelled. Now it is f minus of v divided by f. Now it is the magnification in terms of focal length and image distance. So remember these two formula. So this is the magnification in terms of focal length and object distance, and this is the magnification in terms of focal length and image distance. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss the neat applications related to the combination of lenses.